Traveling to a new city can be exciting, but knowing if Orlando is safe for tourists helps you plan confidently. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? 5. Stay aware in crowded areas. Popular spots like theme parks and downtown streets are usually safe, but pickpockets can be present in busy zones. Walking during daylight, keeping bags secure, and trying local snacks from trusted vendors ensures a worry-free experience. 4. Choose safe accommodations. Resorts and hotels in popular neighborhoods often provide added security, including cameras and staffed entrances, helping guests feel safe and comfortable. Both couples and families can enjoy peace of mind while exploring nearby attractions. To ensure the best experience, read reviews to find locations that balance convenience, safety, and quality. Choosing the right spot allows you to relax, enjoy your stay, and make the most of your visit. 3. Use reliable transportation. Orlando's public transit and rideshare services are generally safe and efficient. Renting a car with GPS is another secure option for exploring outside the main tourist zones. Keep personal belongings close during rides, and consider snacks for longer drives. While these destinations can get expensive, you can still find great deals if you know where to look. To help you stay on budget, I've linked the best rates I found for hotels, flights, and attraction tickets right in the description below. 2. Stay informed about local areas. Research neighborhoods and attractions before visiting. Some parks or streets are quieter at night, while central areas remain lively and safe. Knowing which spots are best for daytime visits lets you plan activities like walking tours, lakeside strolls, or casual shopping trips. 1. Follow standard safety practices. Carry a small first aid kit, keep emergency contacts handy, and stay alert while enjoying Orlando's offerings. Families can enjoy playgrounds and parks confidently, while couples can stroll through scenic streets and landmarks with peace of mind. Sampling local treats along the way adds fun without risk. By following these tips, tourists can enjoy Orlando safely, making their trip smooth, memorable, and stress-free. Being cautious doesn't limit fun. It enhances the experience. If you want more practical travel guides to plan safe and enjoyable trips, subscribe now and never miss essential tips for your next adventure.